Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and today I've got an amazing video for you. I've got my model here, and I must say, this is probably, it's unfair how good looking he is, and his hair is insane. I make some jokes about it. I'm like, it's not fair. Like, who made you, Apple? But anyway, so what we're doing is a nice, really, really short tapered fade up throughout the top, into the top, and we're going with what's even like a one guard on the sides and the back, and then fading it up to the top. And we're gonna have, one side's gonna be slightly disconnected, but I really want to try to blend everything in to have a nice fluid type of shape. And the thing about this haircut is that because he has such nice hair and he's got, a really good thick amount of hair, I think it really, really plays into what we're trying to do here, which is create a lot of texture, as you can see. So with these types of haircuts, I always say there has to be like a focal point, right? Especially if you're a model, especially if you're looking to a performer, actor, whatever it is, there's got to be a focal point, right? And what I've done through here is basically used, I think this is like a 000, just to really fade in that hairline and to have it so that it tapers in nicely so it grows out. And I think blended or tapered hairlines always work out really, really nicely, just simply because as it grows out, it's just a lot softer, it's a lot neater. But this is the type of haircut where I wanted to make it a little bit more of a statement, especially in the front. And a lot of this is really done, with doing it by hand in through this area that I'm talking about, right in through here in the back. This is really amazing if you have a calic or a swirl in the back. It's always sticking up. I always say to incorporate that part of the haircut into the style. So if it's sticking up, then cut it shorter and make everything else around it stick up in a way that it's part of the haircut. A section of hair could be sticking straight up, and it could be like, a half an inch off the head. The thing is that as long as it's all working together and all in sync and everything flows well together, then you're going to have a much better scenario, a much better situation. So I don't get freaked out or afraid if I see a swirl or a calic in the back. I just incorporate it and cut it short to work into the entire style. All right, that's what makes it so important. And he has, a nice amount of hair. He's a natural blonde, so blonde hair tends to be a bit more on the finer side. However, this responds really, really well to my, Tidal Wave Sea Salt paste. This is a great product for talc. As you can see, it's ridiculous. He's showing me up here, okay? That's not fair. But anyway, so, I think for something like this, as you can see, he's like, whoa, check it out, really nice. Again, he came to me with a total disconnected haircut, right? And what I did is and you can see, the more you mess it up, the better. A lot of times people will go in, they'll style it, they'll just start patting it down like that. They'll start patting it down, and then what happens is it basically just destroys and collapses the style. Instead, the more you try to mess it up, that's how you're going to get that texture. That's how you're going to get separation. And I think it really, came out awesome. Again, you can use probably like a 0 guard throughout the sides. You can go shorter in the front. You don't have to have it longer. I purposely did this because I wanted it to be more of a statement, and I think it came out amazing. So let me know in the comments below what you thought. Don't forget, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com for 20% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.